Saseni mkofiti manzeni mewa hata. Manzeni mewa hata. Nasikia nikaa last Wednesday ilikuwa sijui lini. Welcome back to Celeste Reflection. Na leo sasa ni ile siku. Sasa ile siku ya sasa siku ya girl child. Sasa girl child sasa kuja. Okay, hata kuna boy child. Hata boy child, by the way. Hata boy child come. So today I am with Maggie Hope. Acha niseme Maggie Hope, hivyo ndo nakujua. Maggie Hope ndo amenifanyia hii face beat. Siku hizi ndo nifanya face beat. Yaani mpaka nika si sele. Nika si mama Tugi. Naka sasa ule sele. Unacheki ule sele. Sasa naka sele. Thank you so much Maggie for coming.
You're welcome.
Lali nipaka meka nikamwambia Maggie usiende. Ebu come tu nichapie tu story yako. Ebu come tu utuchapie story yako. Please. At least kuna msichana pale nje anataka ama boy child as I've said. Pia kuna siku maboy anafanya makeup. So nikamshow Maggie come tu uinspire, utuambie tu story yetu tusikie. Juu makeup somehow nowadays unapata kuna lashes za 5k, kuna nywele sijui ya how much. Like makeup is a whole new thing now. You need, ukienda kufanya interview na unataka ku look good na ujui kujipaka, you need Maggie. Unafaa look good ukifanya sijui shoot ya nini, ukifanya ngoma ama harusi ya msee unaenda wedo, you need to look good. Na si kila msee anajua kujipaka makeup Maggie. Personally sijui, I have tried na inakata. So that's why I'm here with Maggie Hope. She does so nice makeup. Ananipaka, amenifunza kuvaa lashes. Lakini bado tunang'ang'ana. There's some things bado we are still trying. We're in a journey.
Yeah, it's a baby steps.
Yeah, but karibu sana Maggie to Celeste Reflection.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for making me look good. The last few episodes it has been Maggie Hope on my face.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ulianzia wapi ukajua yani unaweza shika macho ya mtu umchore a pencil? Ulianzia wapi?
So basically I was a stay-home mom for I think almost 2 years. And my baby daddy was working in a TV station. So when I used to go and visit, I would go to the studio and then I would see the news anchors getting their makeup done before they go on air. So I've never done my makeup. I was that kind of person, unapaka tu kawanja. So ajile wanja ya black, unaizungusha and then unapaka lipstick and you're good to go. So I got interested with how the outcome of it, how it was. So I requested for her to do my makeup. But I was that kind of a person who would be like, usieke hii, niko na lipstick yangu kwa bag. Usininywe eyebrows, usifanye nini, and all that stuff. That's how it started. But then for the first time, my eyebrows were trimmed. And then the outcome was just amazing. And I just fell in love with me. And that's how now me falling in love with makeup started.
Let me take you back. Maggie Hope. Maggie Hope.
Yeah.
Ebu introduce yourself first. Because me I said Maggie Hope because page yake ya IG inaitwa Maggie Hope. So there's someone who's like, Maggie nimekuona wapi? Ebu sema.
So I'm Maggie Hope. I'm a makeup artist.
Your name is Maggie Hope?
Yes, that's the truth.
I'm Maggie. Jina M-Pesa? Are you serious?
True, it's Maggie Hope Nyaga.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
Wow.
So my name is Maggie Hope Nyaga. I'm a mom, I'm a makeup artist, a makeup trainer, a product specialist, a skincare educator. I've also gotten into fragrance as well, hair, and all that stuff, yes.
Nice. So you went to school to study makeup?
No, basically for me, it was self-taught when it came to makeup. So after that whole experience, I went to YouTube. So I would say it was like I went to school for almost a year because I used to wake up early in the morning and I would sit on YouTube. So I used to look like I'm crazy and I would just start applying myself. But the thing is, I never got guidance on how to do it, what to buy. So sometimes I used to go to buy a product and then they don't tell you if this is your shade, not your shade. So by the time I get home, I don't know. So I just apply my makeup. Nikitoka nje tu ananiambia, leo unakaa white. Leo unakaa white. Si utoe foundation. Now me, I got the wrong foundation. Because even the person who sold to me, hakuniambia si foundation yangu. Hakunitest. Hakufanya anything. So it was like, unakaa. Leo ni nini mbaya? Kuna kitu tu, unajua. But then me, at that particular time, I used to feel like I'm on top of the world. The fact that nimechora tu eyebrows, hata kama foundation li white. Niko tu sawa.
So, like, hukuenda shule? Shule ulifanya?
So, for school, I got myself into design. interior design.
Na ukamaliza
So I
ukaingia makeup.
didn't even finish because now in the process of that I became a mom. So nikatulia. So I started getting into business now, like shoe business. It wasn't working, but then the moment I just got myself into the makeup side, I think just another thing in me started just growing up in me.
Okay, na venye unapaka makeup vizuri.
I know. So like to me, it's everything. Like sometimes even right now, I always have an issue when someone just say lipstick too. Lipstick too, no, na complete to me, it's just more than a lipstick. It's more than a powder. It's more than...
It's a whole like career.
It's a whole career, and then it's something which I hold very dear to me because it is who it has built me. It's the makeup which has built who I am today. So if someone just say is makeup too, like I don't hold it lightly. Like it may even get me so emotional because I'm trying to imagine this is who Magiop has been built from.
Yeah, but I think mse anasema makeup too should be someone wa back in the days. Like my mom, anaweza sema makeup too. Mamangu anaweza ongea hivyo. But someone hii age yetu, hii generation yetu, you know the importance of makeup. Kama huyo ni news anchor, huwezi enda kwa TV bila makeup. So we know, si ati ni for luxury ama for fun. It's nika need sai. You need to have your makeup well done. Ndio ukaeta presentable ukifanya show fulani. Otherwise tutashinda kwa TV tukiangalia na huyu hata tutakusikiza. So for us we know the importance of makeup. So you did interior design, lakini ukamaliza ukaenda kudesign sasa uso. So hapa hivi ndio ka foundation. Tunaanza na foundation.
Foundation and something else. Then after that, I got employed. In the process of that, I got employed with MAC Cosmetic, whereby I got a bit of training. At least I'd perfected myself, but then now I went, the training, I got now more knowledge in product knowledge, skin type, all those stuff. So at least now nikapata a plus. Sipakani to makeup just for makeup, but I'm applying makeup according to your skin type, what suits you. And then I'm also able now to advise someone, you don't have to choose this brand because it won't work for you. Or you don't have to choose this particular foundation. It won't work for you. So I also want to understand your need. It's just not just apart from the applying, but I also want to understand your skincare routine. I also want to understand your skin type. And then from there now I can be able to confidently recommend a particular product for you.
Depending on the skin type. Yes. So what happened, venye wewe ulikuwa unaenda kuchagua makeup, actually ulikuwa unachagua. Ulikuwa unabuy, unaambiwa na wase, na leo uko white. There is someone who still does that. Like getting your exact color si rahisi.
Not only just even the color, but even the knowledge. Because you might be giving me a foundation which is matte for somebody who is oily. When the foundation was being made, it was being made for a particular skin type. So when you're giving me my skin example, let's say it's oily, and then you give me a foundation which is still glowy, and then I come back, I complain to you, I'm still shining. So it's apart from just selling to sell, I feel that we need to have the knowledge on what you're selling. First, for you to understand the product. Then from there, at least when you're selling it to somebody, you are confidently sure, I'm giving you something which is lightweight. If you want lightweight, I'm giving you that particular, not just to sell because I want to sell it.
So when did it get to a point ukaanza kufikiria, hey, sahi acha nifungue shule? Because she has a school, a makeup school. Plum Beauty. Na nilikuja hapo juzi nikashtuka sana. Nilipata watu, like so many young ladies, or rather so many women, wameenda kulearn kupaka makeup. Na si ati for business, even for your own need. Like every day I want to feel good. Every day I want to check venye unakaa. Yani kila siku nikaange tu hivi kila siku inaweza kuwa kitu poa sana. So at what point ulifeel acha sasa nifunze wase? Mimi nilifunzwa na YouTube, but sasa acha nifunze wase. Niweke shule, nifunze tu madem kufilingi poa. Tusikae white. Ama mtu anakuangalia, na leo shida iko wapi? There is just something.
The reason as to why is because, first of all, Plum Beauty is a partnership of friends, and family as well. So basically, the main reason is to bring affordable products for the young people. That was basically the mission and the goal, to ensure that we bring products which are affordable and original. What was Kimbia River Road kununua product hii to fake? Ama just you want to buy something because you want to buy. I'm a shortcut. Because like somebody like me, when I was starting the makeup industry, I had only high end of what I can use for myself. but then I want to fill in a kit. And then the first time when I'm filling in my kit, I had to fill my kit with all these fake products, right? So you find that people will complain and complain and complain. And then afterwards, as you grow, you learn the knowledge and you understand how these things are harmful, the things you'd not want somebody else to do. At the same time, me as a client, the things which I wouldn't want you to apply me. So I would want to invest in quality products. So it's just basically to avoid young girls getting things which are, because people, when they think about makeup, you think about makeup too expensive. So as we are bringing for you makeup which is still affordable, and at the same time, even though it is high end, we ensure we get it at the best prices. So even though, like, if, for example, if in US and in UK, whereby we source our products from, if there's a sale there, we try to bring those high end to you at a very affordable price. So you might look at the website and you see even us, we are lower than them, but us, we got it at sale. So it's not about making us a profit, but just ensuring we ensure that every person is able to have at least a quality brand, a quality product. And even though you can't afford the high end, we still bring for you original products at the most affordable prices.
That is something that, okay, endelea.
So basically that was mainly for the young girls. And for because what was seme, says you afford makeup, nikimbie nichukue makeup ya 100. Because at the same time, for it to be 100, it means production yake vile itengenezwa, ingredients, it is going to be harmful to your skin.
Yeah.
So,
but kuna zile za 100 kama eye pencil ya 50 bob.
Yeah.
Eye pencil ya, unajua kuna ile eye pencil, kuna ile product ukiuzua hiyo so unaambiwa okay. Well and but kuna ile unafuata ufikirie like think twice, like inaweza kucost baadaye sana. Si ati 100 is the problem. It depends on what product it is. Because si kuna ile eye pencil ya brown supu sana ni 70 bob.
It's really good for that one. But then now you see vitu zinaingia kwa skin kama skin care. At the same time, like something like Simple. Simple is quite a very affordable brand for skin care.
Which one?
Simple. It's a UK brand. So you find kuliko nikimbie nichukue skin care ambao itani spoil uso. How about getting you an affordable original brand which is going to work for your skin? They've categorized their brand into different types of skin type. Whether your skin is dry, it's sensitive, it's oily. So you have no excuse. Hata kama utasave, even though imagine you're in high school, ama tuseme maybe you're in university and you don't have that money. But now you see you can save that 900 bob, get us something which is going to take you 3 months. So it's basically umespendio 300 ambao ulikuwa umeenda kuspend buying something really not original to spoil your face, but umepata kitu original. Then for the school, basically is me trying, I wanted to ensure that the knowledge which I have, I'm able to pass to others.
That is where I was coming to, because most of the young ladies, si ati ni kujua, they don't know. Mtu anataka kupaka makeup haraka akaifiti. That's why I think we have Maggie and Plum Beauty. Akupe hiyo knowledge. Because that's where we tend to, unajua kiwa teenager skin yako iko sawa. But then you want to look more good. So unaanza na makeup zenye zitakuharibu baadaye, uanze kutafutana na Maggie, tuanze saa kutengeneza uso. Yet we were in a position back then, tunge meet Maggie hiyo time, hatunge kuwa na hii mess yote tuko nayo sai. So I think hapo kwa knowledge, it's important to have someone like Maggie.
So I started makeup in 2013. 2013, yes. So I feel it's a period like of 7 years, 8 years. And with that, I've gathered a lot of knowledge from it. I've been educated in skincare. I've been educated into products. I've been educated into product specialists and to understand ingredients, what works, which acid is best for which skin type and all that stuff, which is knowledge which when you go to any makeup school, people will not tell you that. They will just want to teach you makeup, ukimaliza uende. But then they don't tell you when you see hydrochloric acid in a product, what does it mean? What is it for? Right?
Downtown unaambia ngoa, kuna place hapo downtown. Madam, mafuta. Mi wamenita sana. Juu hizi zaitangwa aje blackheads. Madam, tutaka hizo utiziko kwa uso. Madam, mafuta. So unaona wakikwambia utakuwa mweupe ama mafuta ya kukutoa hizo vitu ziko uso, when you're so naive, haujui nini, utaenda tu. Si ati ni mbaya, but yeye amekwambia tu ya kufanya hivi. Hajakwambia baadaye itakuwa na nini ama imekufanyia nini ndio ukae hivyo. So since you don't know and you want to look good, na tablet moja sijui ni 70 bob ama sijui ni vitamin what? Vitamin C. So you just, yani knowledge ni kitu kama haujui imagine. So the first time we did my makeup was 2017.
Yes.
During during Kate's wedding. Then we met again last month, January. Mpaka I'm like, Maggie, I've seen you somewhere. Ushainifanya makeup.
Yeah.
Back then ulikuwa na shule?
No, the school wasn't there. Back then I was working with Mark.
Yes, you were
Yeah.
from Garden City.
Yes.
Ah.
That
Then-
time I was working with Mark. I stayed with Mark for almost, I think, 2 years plus. Then I moved into Linton's to manage a few brands, which was Sheer Moisture, Black Opal, BioBalance, the in-house brands for Linton's. So from there, I also able to get the knowledge which I know right now when it comes now to skincare and everything else. So when I came out and now I wanted to start something and to educate people, I wanted to ensure that if I'm doing that, I'm doing it the right way. I'm just not doing it for the sake. I'm not doing it for the money. I'm not just doing it because everyone else is doing it as a makeup artist. But basically, like by the time you're living there, you already know every single thing that you need to know. Because I feel like for me, nobody guided me and it took such a long time. If I was guided in one way or another, I would have, the time of that 8 years could have been 2 years. So, but then now it took such a long time for you to be employed from one place to another, because it's the experience now and then the knowledge and you're learning from here and there and there. So, by the time you're starting, it's already, you've taken so much time. But then for us, it's simply me. Personally, I'm the one who do the classes. So I've dedicated myself completely just to ensure I educate you on what I know.
So you teach someone to know how to do makeup.
To do makeup, skincare as well.
How long does it take to be a perfect makeup artist?
I would-
Like me naweza taka kujuanga kujipaka tu hivi tu kila siku.
I would say 5 weeks is enough if you're really dedicated to it.
5 weeks.
5 weeks is enough. That is what we have every single month. We have intakes, which is 4 weeks and then a week. So every month there's always an intake. But within those 5 weeks, you're able to understand.
5 weeks every day, ama 5 weeks just one class a week?
No, it is for 5 weeks. That's the whole entire period whereby I'm teaching for 5 weeks.
So you just come in for like an hour?
Not for an hour, for 4 hours.
Every day?
Every day, yeah. From Monday to Thursday.
There's a process like ya kudo makeup?
Yeah, there's a process of how to do makeup because basically for me, I start from skincare. So most of my students, they start from skincare for them to understand their skin type, for them to understand products, for them to understand skincare routines. Because
si ati anakuja akipaka.
si utaanza kupaka, like the first week is the introduction for you to understand what makeup is all about.
Na kuna msee ashaikuja akashindwa kabisa.
Sometimes I always have that challenge, but the good thing is like I try to encourage them. Because for me, basically I find like when I'm teaching, it's like I'm teaching myself. I'm giving back myself to what I wasn't done for. So for me, it's so passionate. I don't know really how to describe it, but it's something which is really passionate for me. So when I'm trying to teach, I'm also trying to ensure, to motivate you and to tell you can. You can do this, you can do this. So the first week somebody will be like, Maggie, I can't do it. Nimejaribu, imekata, your eyebrow imekata.
Foundation.
Imekata. Mostly it's always the eye makeup, which is always an issue. For the foundation, most of them understand. It's quite easy. But then eyebrows inawalemea, tunakaa hapo, anasema, zimekata. And then I just tell them, you can do this, you can do this. If I was able to do it, also you can be able to do it. And at the same time, when you're in a class, somebody else is able, you came together. Mwingine ameshika haraka. You see line out and you see pila ameshika. Then pia atakuja challenge your place ingine and then you're able to do it faster than them. So also that, it also gives them a motivation. And at the same time, I just try to mentor them to tell them it's possible. Because I also show them my own pictures, my first clients. Really kuwa napakalisha vitu walastuka.
Your child is a girl?
My child is a girl.
Anajua already kupaka makeup?
No, she doesn't like makeup, interestingly.
Hapendi makeup?
No, I think she finds it's a lot of time because like when I have to dress up and I have to do my makeup, like she's still young. So she'll be like, Mommy, again, makeup. Sasa now we need to be going. So she okay, sometimes she might want to try, but then it's not something which she's interested in. But one thing about her is I know she's in the art side. She likes making clothes. At 6 years old, ameshaanza kukatakata mavitu. She's anashona.
Yeah, so hiyo ni poa. Mkitiwa harusi yeye anachukua manguo, wewe unachukua face. Unafanya
Alachora, so she likes drawing. So I feel it's also she's still in the art thing. And then at the same time, it's something which I can't refuse her to do. So I always tell her, what do you want to become? Say, I want to become a baker. I want to become a fashion designer. I want to become a doctor. I said, it's okay. You can also still be all these other things. Because basically for me, I was brought up in a setup whereby you have to be a doctor, you have to be a lawyer, you have to be this. My dad was super strict. Till today, he doesn't understand what am I doing.
anasemanga unafanya nini?
Unafanyanga nini? Ili nini unafanya? But then with time then akakuja kona hata kama sielewi, but though I tell her I do makeup, he still doesn't understand till today, but he's super proud of me. And I feel that's the mentality which I have right now, is for us to change our society, how they think. When to come to some of this career, photography, makeup, hair, nails, comedy. Unajua, these are things which people need to start. They look at them as careers. Watoto wakienda shule tusiwadanganye, work hard and be a doctor. Work, because imagine if I was told work hard and be a makeup artist, right now I could have been miles away, right? But then unapelekeshwa in a whole structure, enda shuleni, fanya ichagua career and all that stuff. So I would really encourage parents, especially as young parents right now, we are bringing in kids. Let's just try and encourage them to also have talent. Whatever there's something that a child likes, let's try and motivate it and try and push it. Tusikuwe na hiyo mentality our parents used to have. Because for me, like, I would personally say I've seen photographers, comedians, makeup artists, hairstylists, earning from it. People are becoming successful from it. So let us not just say, lazima watu wakuwe daktari.
Kweli, nakumbuka sisi form 2 ukipaka Fair and Lovely. Unakaa pale, unakaa parara na unapaka unajua ile?
Yeah.
Imagine your time mzazi angekuchukua na aone there's just something in you. Msichana akioga anashindanga kwa kioo. Badala ya kumgombanisha, si umsaidie. Yeah. Si kukwambia sasa wewe unafikiria sijui like
mtu anashinda tu akichora. Anaambia hiyo ni nini umechukua? Kwa nini umechukua subject ya art? Baka you have to stop art and take physics. Uko physics ushiki. You understand? But then I feel we should just, if somebody comes home and kila saa anashindaga kitchen akipika. I've seen amazing chefs. People are cooking and making it. People are doing, they're making cakes and making it in life. So you can imagine how many people wasted so much time in university.
Trying to be doctors.
Careers which right now they're not even into them. That's the worst part. You feel wasted. You feel like I wasted maybe 4 years trying to be something, and then all of a sudden it can change. And then when you change, you're so passionate into it. Ukiambiwa hata urudi ujaribu hiyo kitu unasema you leave me alone. Leave me alone. So I feel we should encourage these things, and that's why I saw why Plan Beauty is there, to ensure that hata mtu akimaliza form 4, let them try other things. Mpeleke a makeup school. Akishindwa, it's 1 month. Akitoka huko mpeleke a baking. Let them just at least one period of year before they go to university, maybe they tap into a few things. Mpeleke kwa, kama it's comedy, mpeleke akae on aanze kufanya skit or something of that sort. Take them to whatever it is. Then after that, they might able to figure themselves. They might come back to you and tell you, by the way, hata kama nilipita, sijisi kwenda kufanya hiyo law. So you see, you'd have just saved yourself as well, and as them as well, because it means utanyacha whatever they are getting into. Yeah.
Na hiyo ni poa sana juu sasa hata ukisoma ukuwe daktari, ukisoma upate kazi ofisi, as in haziko, it's not easy. But what you're trying to say ni ukuje kwa Plan Beauty ufunzwe makeup, ukuwe self-employed. Ni ufungue tu page IG, uanzange kupata harusi kila weekend, kila Friday, your own money, your own boss. As in, haraka. Kazi nyingine ikikam, itakuwa better. Si ati unangoja ile kazi come.
And then another thing, I think we also have the mentality, there is enough makeup artists. Watu wanajulikana. I would say the market is so huge. If you want to become a makeup artist today, start it. If you want to become a comedian today, start it. It doesn't matter who is there, who is known. The market is so huge. There are so many clients. I can't finish all the weddings in Kenya. Somebody else can't. We can't. And whatever you do, people will like whatever you do. In one way or another, you'll have your own people who come to you, your own clientele. Yeah. So you don't look at it as there's enough. There's so many people out there. So when I start, will I get like her? Don't look at who you want to get to. You just do your thing. Just do your thing. It doesn't matter whether you are known, not known. Just do you.
I love what you're telling them. Mwambia, just do you.
Yeah.
Kila mtu akona share yake. Magi akona yake. Just start and do your own thing. Siku moja itakam.
Yeah.
There's someone mwenye anasema by then nitakufanya makeup kama Magi. Nitafika wapi nikuwe na shule kama Magi. Imagine itakuwa hata better kuliko ya Magi.
Yeah.
Just start yours. Just do your own thing. Hauwezi kama Magi, utakaa tu wewe na itakuwa tu sawa. Yeah, so I love your fact umesema kila mtu akona yake. Even if you're like 50 makeup artists, nyinyi wote imagine mtaenda watu wakupa kwa makeup ni wengi, ni the same na watu wakuza manguo, hata mtoe duka ngapi za manguo bado zitanunuliwa zote. Comedians hata mkuje like leo kesho, yani there is something for everyone. Hawezi sema ati uko kumejaa. So Magi, kuna huyo msichana amaliza form 4 ama there's that guys, even guys do makeup nowadays. Yeah, actually some of them are like the best makeup artists
right now, yeah.
Guys, unashinda haya. Mwanaume atanichora eyebrows. Yeah, so Magi, there's that young lady anataka kujoin Plum Beauty.
Yeah.
Ama hajui but anapenda kufanya makeup.
Yeah.
So Ebu, just tell her something as we end.
So in case you would love to learn about makeup, to learn about skincare, you can join us every single month. Every single month, there's always intake. So feel free to come and join us and let us go through the process together for you to become better, to equip you. And then at the same time, if you also want to get products, Plum Beauty is the place to be. We also have both high-end and affordable products for everyone. Yeah.
So in Nairobi?
Yeah, we are in Nairobi at along Moi Avenue at the one, which is opposite Tembo House.
Na kuna page ya IG.
Our page IG is Plum Beauty for the makeup school and for the products as well. For makeup application, it's Maggie Hope.
Thank you so much Magi. So mmejisikilia wenye tunataka kujua kupaka makeup yako tu hata ya kwenda ofisi. Doesn't have to look good. Either way ni wewe unakaa smart. Sio mimi nitakaa smart. Ni wewe utafeel poa, ni wewe utafeel leo nimetokelezea. It doesn't hurt kukaa vizuri. So Maggie Hope ama Plum Beauty on IG. And thank you guys for joining us. I hope next week tutakuwa tukiwatch Celeste Reflection. Tumevaa lashes, tumepaka makeup. Wednesday unaamka una face beat. Saa 5 ikifika tunaketi to watch Celeste Reflection kaa tumeslay. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you next week on Celeste Reflection. Thank you so much Maggie.
Thank you so much as well.
Bye.